Episode number 200. Yes, but you stopped at the idea, I hope? No, for I put it in execution that very minute. And the consequence? Said D'Artagnan, in great anxiety. I threw, and I lost. What, my horse? Yours, 7 against 8, a point shot, you know the proverb. Athos, you are not in your right senses, I swear. My dear lad, that was yesterday, when I was telling you silly stories, it was proper to tell me that, and not this morning. I lost him then, with all his appointments, and furniture. Really, this is frightful. Stop a minute, you don't know all yet. I should make an excellent gambler, if I were not too hot-headed, but I was hot-headed, just as if I had been drinking. Well, I was not hot-headed then. Well, but what else could you play for? You had nothing left. Oh, yes, my friend, there was still that diamond left, which sparkles on your finger, and which I had observed yesterday. This diamond, said D'Artagnan, placing his hand eagerly on his ring. And as I am a connoisseur in such things, having had a few of my own once, I estimated it at 1,000 pistols. I hope, said D'Artagnan, half dead with fright, you made no mention of my diamond. On the contrary, my dear friend, this diamond became our only resource. With it I might regain houses, and their harnesses, and even money to pay our expenses on the road. Athos, you make me tremble, cried D'Artagnan. I mentioned your diamond then to my adversary, who had likewise remarked it. What the devil, my dear, do you think you can wear a staff from heaven on your finger, and nobody observe it? Impossible. Go on, my dear fellow, said D'Artagnan, for upon my honor, you will kill me with your indifference. We divided, then, this diamond into 10 parts of 100 pistols each. You are laughing at me, and want to try me, said D'Artagnan, whom anger began to take by the hair, as Minerva takes Achilles, in the Iliad. No, I do not jest, mordieu. I should like to have seen you in my place. I had been 15 days without seeing a human face, and had been left to brutalize myself in the company of bottles. That was no reason for taking my diamond, replied D'Artagnan, closing his hand with a nervous spasm. Here's the end. 10 parts of 100 pistols each, in 10 throws, without revenge. In 13 throws I had lost all, in 13 throws. The number 13 was always fatal to me. It was on the 13th of July that. Ventre bleu, cried D'Artagnan, rising from the table, the story of the present day making him forget that of the preceding one. Patience, said Athos. I had a plan. The Englishman was an original. I had seen him conversing that morning with Grimaud, and Grimaud had told me that he had made him proposals to enter into his service. I staked Grimaud, the silent Grimaud, divided into 10 portions,